Who is that in the purple collar?
Kai.
So that's Kai in the purple right there.
Kai? Yeah, say hi, Kai. Yeah.
There he is.
Hi, Kai. And this one's Bodie in the red.
That's Natsu right there.
That's Natsu.
Bodie's over here.
This is Bodie. Hi, Bodie. Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Bodie. Come on, Bodie.
What? You crying about?
And Naiya with the black collar is the only one that isn't sold. Yeah.
Hi, Natsu.
Hey, buddy. Hey, come on.
Go on.
Come on. Natsu, come here. Come on. Kai. That's a good boy, Natsu. You did a big boy.
Hi, buddy.
Come on.
Go on.
Kai, come on.
Go on. You're being called.
Kai,
Come
we're
on.
all over here. Here, come here. Hi, look, here I am. Come on.
Here comes everyone.
Lion. Come on. Oh. Gotcha. Come on, kids. Come on.
Go on, Natsu.
Hi, Natsu. Hi there, Natsu boy. So this is Kai. Yes, this is little Kai. Alrighty. And this is Natsu. Say hi, Natsu. This is Natsu. Yes. And you kisses. Yes, I need kisses.
That's Natsu.
Okay, hi, Kat. And this is Naiya. Say hi, Naiya. I got you. Not hurting you. Hi, Natsu. Yes.
It's a little blurry, and I don't know how to fix that.
Huh?
It's kind of blurry.
Let's stop it.